everybody. So this is going to be part two. So I've got this all cleaned up. I have everything down. Now what I'm doing is I'm just basically going through here and I'm putting this tape down because I don't want to be sanding on the plastic. Okay. I take my number 3 and I start sanding. And as you can see, it's coming right off. And this is just going to take some time to do, but you really want to push down where the lettering was at. A lot of people don't realize that this is an aluminum plate in here. So just those couple minutes, I'm able to get this sanded. And we want to take all of this off. So once I get this pretty much all done, where the lettering is pretty much done, where if you can just see the lettering, then what I do is I'm going to come back with some sandpaper that I will do at part B. So that is getting the plate initially sanded, and this is steel wool. I believe it's number 3. Okay, I'll come back next and show you the sanding part.